Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Today, our topic name is telling the time from page number 39. Before we start the questions from the book, we are going to learn some of the example. On each of these clocks, the minute hand is missing. Estimate the time by finding where the minute hand should be. Where the minute hand should be. Okay. That means this black one is the hour hand I given to you. That means where is the minute hand? Look at here. The hour hand will be exactly at 2. If it is exactly 2 means it is 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. Understand? Now if you look at here, the minute hand will be between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4 means it is half past 3. That means 3:30. Whenever if it is exact, then the minute hand will be at 12. If it is the hour hand will be between the two numbers, then the minute hand will be at 6. If it's the hour and will be little bit cross any number, like if it just cross 4, then you can understand that the minute hand will be at 3. The minute hand will be at 3. Okay, the minute hand will be at 3. Remember, it will be at 3. Now look at here this question. Now it is 9:45. Why? Because it is nearest to the 10. It's not cross 10 or not exactly 10. It is nearest to the 10. If it is nearest to the 10 means after 15 minutes it's going to 10 o'clock. That means it is quarter to 10. Quarter to 10. One more time. If it is exactly to the any number, that means the minute hand will be at 12. That means that is 2 o'clock. If it is exactly 3, 3 o'clock. If it is exactly 4, 4 o'clock. If it is the hour hand between any two numbers, then the minute hand will be exactly at 6. Now, if the hour hand will be little bit cross 5, then the minute hand will be at 3. Minute hand will be at 3. If the hour hand will be nearest to the any number, then the hour minute hand will be at 9. That means 9:45. It means quarter to 10. It means quarter to 10. Okay. So remaining two questions you can do it by yourself. These two questions you can do it by yourself. This is your homework. Okay. This is your homework. Now look at the questions here in your book. In your book, page number 39. What is the question now? The minute hand has fallen off the clocks. That's just now I explained. Just now I explained you. Okay. So here there is no minute hand. So by looking the picture only, you have to write the time in 24 hours clock. Look at here first of all. This is the picture at night time, because in the daytime there is no star and there is no moons. But the minute hand, hour hand will be between 10 and 11. So hour hand will be between 10 and 11 means it is what? Exactly, the minute hand will be at 6. The minute hand will be at 6. That means it is 10:30. So look at here, I wrote 10:30, but he asked you to write in terms of 24 hours clock. We already learned yesterday's class, whenever if it's 24 hours clock, if it is PM, you should add 12. So if it 12 plus 10, how much? 22:30. 22:30. Now look at the second picture. This is in the daytime, right? This is in the daytime. So this is little bit cross 9. Little bit cross 9 means what? It is 9, and the minute hand will be at 3. Minute hand will be at 3. That means it is 9:15 a.m. AM is 9:15 only. No need to add 12. Now coming to the third picture. Again, this is also in the daytime. So afternoon, because the minute hand will be, our hand will be exactly at 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3. That means the minute hand will be at 6. That means 2:30. 2:30 p.m. But it is p.m. at 12. So 12 plus 2 equal to 14, because every time the hour add to the hour only. So 2 plus 12 is equal to 14:30. 14:30. Now coming to the fourth picture. Again, this is the dark night time, but this is 1:10. 1:10, is it possible afternoon 1:10 and midnight 1:10? So afternoon 1:10, obviously it is sunlight, right? But it is midnight, so 1:10 a.m. because the new day starts. So 1:10 a.m. so no need to add anything, so that is 1:10 only. Now coming to the fifth picture, it is what? Nearest to the 12. Nearest to the 12, it means it is 11:45. 11:45. Okay, so it is 11:45 means what? Here you have to, this is 11:45 p.m. obviously, because 11:45 we have in the am, 11:45 in the pm, because of dark. So 11:45 am, so you have to add 12. So 12 plus 11, 23:45. So it is more near to the 12. So if you can take it, the minute will be at 9 or at 10, your choice, anything can be. So it is, if I read at 11:50, it is should be am because daytime, so 11:50 only. Okay, I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more questions, you can ask me the next class. Thank you.